Hey guys, Reese here from Outback Equipment, and today we're going to be giving you a quick run through of Lightforce's utility work lights and driving lights. Starting with the Rock 20s, these are a small 20 watt floodlight, generally used for utilities, working around your car and whatnot. They're good sizes to mount underneath your platform brackets on the sides of your cars, or you can use them as reverse lights. The lights themselves, when they're being used, only draw 0.9 of an amp at 13.2 volts, and then they have a current lifespan of about 50,000 plus hours. Out of the box, obviously we have the light themselves. It comes with a pre-wired Deutsch plug and tail, and then it also comes with the compact mounting brackets. So the dimensions of this particular light is 50mm by 70mm by 55mm. These lights also follow Lightforce's 5000 Kelvin color temperature, meaning that they're not going to be too bad on the eyes, so you're not going to be burning your retinas out with white LEDs. Alright, so moving on to the next set of lights, we've got the Rock 40s. This particular light we have here is a spot beam. As you can see, it's got the different type of reflectors inside the housing. This light itself pulls approximately 2 amps at 13.2 volts. Out of the box, it comes with our user manual, comes with our mounting hardware, and then a work light universal wiring harness. This light measures approximately 82mm by 84 by 76mm, so it's a really compact design, also used for utility lights and floodlights on the side of canopies and trays. Finally, moving on to the Lightforce Striker LED driving lights. These come in pairs and they're a 5.75 inch driving light. Alright, so this is what we can expect from out of the box from Lightforce. Moving through the contents of the box, we have our 8-pin universal adapter harness. The most important part, the Lightforce sticker. Your warranty sheets register online at Lightforce, Striker user manual, the Striker LEDs themselves, and a universal wiring harness to suit. So working through the Striker driving light themselves to begin with, this is a 5.75 inch driving light or utility light. From Lightforce themselves, they only provide them with a spot filter. You can also get the blank black covers as seen on the HTX2s, and also you can get flood and utility diffused filters as well, so you can use them as work lights. These lights themselves are capable of throwing out 1 lux at 754 meters, but you obviously wouldn't use that for your utility work lights, so that's why we recommend having a look at the diffused filters. These lights are more of a budget-friendly option from Lightforce, but it's more so due to the size of them rather than the lack of quality. They still maintain that through the entire unit. So when it comes to the installation of the Strikers, they do just have a reversible mounting bracket on the base, so if it doesn't sit far enough out or it's fouling on something behind, you can flip the brackets around by unbolting the 2 bolts and making it sit further forward. These lights do only weigh about 1 kilo, so they're perfect for sitting on top of your roof racks as well as on the front of the bull bars. This Striker lights obviously pair really well with Lightforce's universal harness. The harness that is provided is intended to be used as a driving light though, so it's going to have your adapters for your H4 and HB3 lights. If you can't use those, you'll have to use an adder circuit or a fuse tap to get your high beam signal. So much like the HTX2 lights, this wiring harness also does come with an 8-pin switch adapter. Everyone has also seen this green plug before that goes into the back of your OE switches. This plugs straight into the Lightforce harness. No fuse taps, no ignition feeds or anything like that to make the switches light up. It's all done ready for you by Lightforce's universal wiring harness. Alright guys, that's a wrap for these Lightforce lights today. Just some things to note is that all of these lights that you've seen so far, Australian design and made, IP69 rated, and they also follow Lightforce's 5000 Kelvin color temperature, so that way it's not too harsh on the eyes late at night. As always, all these products are available on outbackequipment.com.au. If you have any questions about what we've shown you here today, leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
And that's it. That's it.
Ben,
you get cardboard
it's a Da Vinci card. They do come with your 8-pin swin adapter. Swin? 8-pin swin adapter. All right.